In accordance with the increase of population over the decades, especially in urban areas, the volume of solid trash has also been increasing in emerging countries such as Malaysia. The buildup of solid waste has resulted in tremendous damage for the environment as well as the health of the people. This is due to the effect from the open air landfills, illegal dumping, and the lack of knowledge and ignorance on the environmental education. The aim of our project is to reduce the disposal of waste, minimize landfills, and reduce the possibility of non-degradable material waste, while also creating opportunities for people who want to generate income. Therefore, our group has started to enlighten the minds of the community in aiming to obtain sustainable waste management, while also bringing out individuals' hidden creativity through upcycling trash into treasures.
For the solution, we plan the strategies and set our goals to achieve in this project. We do campaign about DIY craft on social media such as Telegram and Instagram. We also collab with Kaki DIY to get more information and knowledge about DIY craft. It is in order to implement in the future to sustain our project in the community. So we set the date and having an online meeting and Q&A session with founder of Kaki DIY through Google Meet platforms. And we shared the recorded video through our social media, which is Telegram and Instagram.
DIY
so these are apart from our recorded session with Sir John Salam,
members of Kaki DIY
founder
or
of
the
Kaki
people who are
DIY.
involved in are here to solve problems. Okay. However, DIY is not all about you have to create everything. Okay. So Kaki DIY, our motto is actually reduce, reuse, recycle.
Our social media platform is used to increase the awareness of society and at the same time providing knowledge on DIY crafts. We made our own videos on the DIYs and we shared a few of the videos taken from other people too.
The impacts are reduce solid waste, awareness on the importance of reduce, reuse and recycle, DIY knowledge expand and create new incomes. These are the results for some of the questions from the survey using Google Form. Sister Fatin, one of our stakeholders, answered the question that was given to her. Sister Fatin, what are the impacts that you get after joining our project?
The impact that I get after joining the craft project is relationship bonding. It is because it has helped us, especially me and my brother, to become more close to each other. This project is actually something that we can do it together, so it involves teamwork. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sister Fatin.
Prophet Muhammad also taught us about protecting environment, which is practice sustainable consumption whenever possible. Practice reuse, reduce and recycle, which is 3R, which means we reminded to use only what we need. Reuse things for the same or new purpose and convert waste into useful product. Prophet was seen to repair his shoes instead of discarding it at the first sight of its tear. The Prophet would also sew his clothes and advise his companions to sew their garments neatly. It goes to show that even the noblest person on earth was mindful in his affairs and those around him. The daily items used had been fixed and mended along the way.
What are the lessons that we learned from the project? First, we learn how to work in teams, and as group mates, we need to cooperate with each other to make our project successful. In addition, management knowledge is important because it can smooth the flow of our project. Second, we realized that there are many things that we can do it by ourselves and our group mates as well as our stakeholders' creativity expands because we share many DIY ideas throughout this project in our Telegram channel as well as our Instagram account. Next, we learned that DIY has positive impacts to the environment, especially when we implement 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle in DIY. It can keep our environment from pollution and the problem of having a lot of garbage. Moreover, increase our knowledge on trash to treasure. We learned that we are responsible in saving and keeping our environment clean as well as encourage others and lessen the amount of trash.